All right, guys, for the next technique that I use, you're gonna need your clip-in hair extensions, obviously. So I already have my hair sectioned off, how you normally would when you clip in any type of extensions. But instead of clipping it in normally, I'm gonna flip the weft upside down so that the hair extension is going in the same direction as my hair when it's being pulled up into a ponytail. I'm actually gonna flip my head down and clip it upside down. All right, it's actually flipped upside down. And you really don't need to use your whole set of extensions to do this. Just use as many as you think is necessary for your hair. I usually use around 4 or 5, and then towards the top of my hair, I clip it going that way instead of upside down. I'll show you guys when I get there. I'm gonna section it off again. All right, since I'm not using all of the pieces, I'm gonna go ahead and use the 3-clip weft, and I'm gonna do the same exact thing. And you're just gonna keep going, section it off, and go in with another 3-clip. Flip. That's 3. I think I'll do 2 more. One more 3-clip. And now that I'm pretty much at the top of my head, the back of my hair is gonna go that way, up. That's why I flipped the extensions. But for this part of my head, I can put a clip in the normal way. Section this. I am gonna grab 2-clip, and I'm just gonna clip it in the center. Sometimes I like to do one here and one here, but I don't think I need to. This track is in normally. Get whatever hair tie you want to use, and you're just going to put your hair in a normal ponytail. Getting some length in there, super natural, and it's so comfortable because me flipping the wefts and making them go in the direction of my hair, there's no pulling. That is my little technique for those of you who don't have the cashmere hair ponytail and want to do it with your clip-ins. I'm gonna bobby pin this up, and that's it. Thanks, guys.